Hey guys, want to make a review video on this COSLUS water flosser. So this is a really good one. Want to show you the features of it. You've got your reservoir tank right here, reservoir tank. You've got your wand right here, super easy to detach your attachments. Press that button on there to detach on and off. Got the long tube there. Here's your power up and down, as well as your your power or your level, I guess, level up and down. Here's your actual power button. And then here are your modes. So you've got floss and then massage. So different speeds, comes with a power cord. So let's plug this in. You can get a quick start guide, tells you everything, but super simple. But check this out here. You pull this off right here, and then this has all of your attachments. So you've got two different fine tips. One has a brush on the end of it. Maybe you can't see that, but it's kind of like brush bristles. One's super fine, and then you've got a couple regular, and then you've got this one, which is for your tongue to kind of clean and scrape your tongue. But that just attaches right there on the side. So let's fill this up with water. It's best to use, especially if you're sensitive, use like kind of a warmer water, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so this reservoir comes out separate, even has some ounce marks on the side, and we'll just fill that up. And you don't have to do all of it, but if you just wanted to do a quick water floss, you can do that as well. Just set it right back down on top. Another great feature I like is that it plugs in underneath instead of like on the side, to where it will keep all water out of the electric cord. Put that back on. Actually, let's take this off here. Let's pull this off and get out one of the attachments. And again, here's another feature. It's got this one has a black ring on it. The other one is white. That way you can kind of separate it if you had two people using it. You just push that in until it clicks, like that. And now it's tight, and if you want to release, you press the button. Press it in until it clicks, okay? Let's turn up our pressure to halfway, so at 6, okay? And we can turn the power on. And it starts working, the pump starts working. The cord is shaking, and then it's ready to go. Let's hit the on button. There we go. If you can see that in my the clear water in the sink. That's on 6. Let's turn it up even more. So tons of power. You can see the mist coming out of there, or you can turn it all the way down to just a little. Let's go to massage. So it's a different pulsing. It goes, or if you go to floss, it's full on. So two different versions there. Let's go to massage. You can kind of hear the pump working. Yep. So that works pretty good. Yep. And then you just turn it off right here. And the power is still on. You can hit the power button and you're done. So yeah, very good flosser. I would show you what it looks like in your mouth, but you can imagine, and that would be a giant mess, and try to video it. But yeah, this is a great one from COSLUS. Great water flosser, very simple, tons of power, has the reservoir, the tips, everything. This is a great product. And when you're done, you can pop this off and switch out to a different user or just a different tip completely. You can store them in there, or you can also take this off and clean this out if you want as well. But yeah, that is a great product right there. So if you're looking for a water flosser to keep those gums and teeth clean, get this is a great one. So can highly recommend, definitely pick up a product like this.